All right, example number 5 is section 5. We're going to write and solve a combined variation. So here we have a rider's speed in miles per hour. So a rider's speed varies. So that means the speed of the rider equals k with the varies jointly. So jointly is just another word for multiplication. So we're going to multiply with the revolutions per minute. So revolutions per minute. So RPM of the pedals and so that means just another part of multiplication, and the number of teeth, let's do capital T for teeth, on the front gear, and inversely means division, with the number of teeth on the rear gear. So let's do teeth front gear then, and then teeth rear gear. Okay, so let's go ahead, and then that's our equation. So we need to solve for k. So that means they have to give us a RPM for rotations per minute. They have to give us a front wheel teeth and a back wheel teeth and the speed in order to find k. So on a flat stretch of road, a rider traveling 17 miles per hour, that would be our speed, while using the front gear teeth with 50, so that'd be a TF, and a rear gear 16, that would be a TR, and pedaling at 7 revolutions per minute, so that'd be our RPM. Find the speed of the rider when, so we can stop right there. That's enough information to find our K. All right, so we plug in our speed, 17.1 equals RK times our RPM, which we said was 70, times our front teeth, which is 50, divided by our back wheel, which is 16. So now I can solve this, right, however I want to. I can multiply those two numbers, divide by 16. That's fine. Let's do that. So 7 times 5 is 35, right? And then I have 2 zeros. Okay, divided by 16 equals 17.1. Okay, and then I'm going to take my 3,500 and I'm going to divide that by 16, right? That's a 16. Okay, and I get 218.75 times k equals 17.1. 17.1. So then I just divide by 218.75, divide by 218.75, and then we have, now this is in miles per hour, I just noticed, and this pedaling is miles per minute. So I'm probably going to have to switch that up, but we can go ahead and divide here. So I'm going to take 17.1 and divide by that 218.75. So I get k is equal to 0.078. 0.078, we'll go with that. Okay, so now that we have that, we can plug in our k right here into this formula, and now we can find the speed. So find the speed when the rider, we know our k, 0.078, bikes uphill using front gear of 34. So front gear 34. And then rear gear of teeth is 23, so that's on bottom, right? And then we need an RPM, which is 70, so we plug that in. So I didn't have to do any conversions here, so it's all fine. And so we go ahead and multiply that and divide by 23. So we multiply that and divide by 23. So 0.078 times 70 times 34 equals, divided by 23 equals 8.07, and that would be miles per hour. Okay, so we didn't know to do any conversion, so that's fine. You can also, I think the book sets it up as a proportion, and you could do that too, or you can just solve for k, plug in your k, and then plug in your other numbers. Okay.